Hi, I'm Nud Dudhia from Bredo's Tacos, and I'm here today to cook my aubergine cochinita pibil with exnipec and habanero. Right, let's start the recipe by getting these aubergines prepped and ready for the oven. We're just going to pierce them. And in the oven at 200 degrees for about 25 minutes. Whilst our aubergines are in the oven, we're going to make a marinade which is going to be used to flavour the flesh once they're cooked. So we're going to start off by toasting some spices, the first of which is some cumin, going into a hot pan with just a little bit of oil in, some Mexican or regular oregano if you can't get that, about a 1.5 inch cinnamon stick, some allspice, a clove, some black peppercorns and some achiote. We're just going to toast this off for about 2 or 3 minutes until the kitchen becomes aromatic and we start to release all the flavours of the spices. And as you're cooking it, you just want to kind of break up the achiote paste so it starts to incorporate some of the other spices into it. And now we're going to combine all the ingredients in the Vitamix and blend until we have a smooth consistency. I'm going to start with the achiote mix we just toasted, some garlic cloves, some bitter orange juice, some white vinegar and a big pinch of salt. Get the lid on and blend on high. Yeah, this looks great. So that's been on for about a minute and we've broken down all of the hard spices, the cinnamons and allspices, and we've got a really nice consistency for the marinade. Now that the aubergines are ready, we're going to split them in half, take the flesh out and get the flesh marinating before putting it back in the oven again. I'm just going to cut the aubergines all the way through. It should be extremely soft. Try and retain the shape of the skin because we're going to put the meat back in the skin. We're going to season the flesh with 2 tablespoons of the achiote marinade we made in the Vitamix. Grab a roasting tin and place the aubergine skins as neatly as you can. Now it's a matter of just reassembling the aubergine and getting it back in the oven. There we go. The aubergines are ready. We're going to get them back in the oven at 200 degrees for about 10 minutes. So now we're going to make the habanero salsa. I've pre-roasted tomatoes, onions, habanero chili, garlic. And they're all going to go into the Vitamix and we're going to blend them until we get a lovely salsa-like consistency. We're going to add some vinegar, some olive oil, and finally a big pinch of salt. Our salsa is now done. It's a nice thick consistency, quite chunky. Now that we've got everything ready, we're going to assemble the dish. I'm going to start with some exnipec, which are the pickled onions. Just place a few of those within each aubergine. And follow that with some creme fraiche, some nice coriander leaves, and we're going to finish with just a sprinkling of the habanero ash, which is going to add a really nice smoky flavour to the dish. And some spicy habanero salsa we made. And there you have my aubergine cochinita pibil with exnipec and habanero salsa, all made easy using the Vitamix. Thank you for watching.